Who is Greg Abel, and why is everyone calling him the next Warren Buffett? Greg Abel is the man Warren Buffett handpicked to run Berkshire Hathaway after him. That's a big deal. Buffett built a $700+ billion empire, and he trusts Greg to carry it forward. But who is Greg Abel really? He was born in Canada and started his career in the energy sector. In 1992, he joined Mid-American Energy, which later became part of Berkshire Hathaway. He quickly rose through the ranks and became the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway Energy. Abel is known for being calm, smart, and extremely focused on business. He's not flashy like Elon Musk, but he's one of the most powerful people in corporate America. In 2021, Buffett officially named Greg Abel as his successor. That means when Buffett steps down or passes, Greg will lead one of the biggest companies in the world. Many investors believe Berkshire is in safe hands. Why? Because Abel understands the company's values, businesses, and Buffett's long-term thinking. If you're following the future of Berkshire Hathaway, Greg Abel is the name to watch. Do you think Greg Abel is ready to fill Warren Buffett's shoes? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance updates.